Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, low tire pressure warning. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.